Yeah, I think he is. Oh yeah, he had to get lunch or something? I don't know. Oh, I'd figured you were AFK or something, Dutch. I did not heard you. Ah, just being quiet then. Oh my god. That will cost me these Phalanx, it looks like. Yeah, this will be the 5th base as it is, so not bad. Yeah, watch it, Dubba. Yeah, I just watched the fucking thing. Well, yeah. Yeah, I saw a bunch of them. Like it. Yeah, I'll upload it in a second. I mean, they shouldn't be firing on Ravagers as it is, shouldn't they? So... It's Achilles GS. I'll screen share. Vince getting now. Yeah, Rogue Achilles GS, but it still normally follows the same rules. So, that's... They were shooting at my Phalanx just fine, though. So,